opportunity to me. Look at all of this, guys. Look at this. This is freaking opportunity. And I'm going to show you what made me come back here. These houses are going to get built and they're going to sell for a lot because there's a freaking lake back here that not a lot of people know about.
Wow, they just cleared all that out.
All of that got cleared out.
That's a brand new house over there, the blue one. You got to turn that way after.
All right, and this neighborhood. These are all brand new right here, too.
Look at my God, look at that shit.
Opportunity, guys.
Look, stop right here.
You have to look at the opportunity. It's $335,000, guys.
This was not here.
This was not here a year and a half ago. Why? Because me and my wife will often come down here. Yeah, right behind the lake. That's all the lake back there, guys. Me and my wife would often come down here, and we would go to this lake. And I told her, I said, hey, they're starting to build back there. I know they are. And so now I'm back here, and I'm looking at it. Now, am I late? Yeah, I'm late. Because you can see here, you don't see stickers in any of those windows, right? So they've already been cleaned and maybe or sold already. We don't know yet, but this is what you look for when you're looking for freaking money. You see that lake back there, guys? $330,000 they're buying this for.
This is gonna be a whole nother section.
Yep. So we're gonna ride back here. And I want you guys to know that I looked at this like, damn, this would be some great property to try and get. But I don't know how to get fucking property yet. But I do know how to get this monies. So that's what we about to do. It's a one-way here. Look, they even put up a new freaking sign because these people are getting this neighborhood here. So this shit was pure trash. None of this shit was here. You go straight on that street and come back the opposite way.
And they have a built-in park.
Yep, built-in park, basketball goal. No one ever comes back here. It's like the perfect freaking duck-off spot to come put your boat in and just get over to the inlet and get to the beach. Guys, these places are gonna sell, which means they're not gonna sit, which means they're gonna need to be clean ASAP. Guys, we're on the front side here. Sent my wife inside to talk to the agent. But these are beautiful lots, man. Look at these, right? So if I'm looking at 1 2-car garage, 2 2-car garages, and all single cars. 1 2 3 4 5 single-car garages, right? Let's say these are about 3 2s, 1,100 square feet, give or take. If you can't get 320 to 460 bucks out of every single one of these houses, which gives you what, 2 4 6 7 at 300, $2,100 out of something like this, guys, you're crazy. And you can do this and charge $2,100 and get it clean for, I don't know, somewhere around 200 bucks a unit, 150, 120 bucks a unit. It just depends on the trade work. It depends on your vendors. It depends on a lot of things and how you source and build your business out. But if you're not making 60% profit, call me. We got to talk because you're doing it wrong. But yeah, man, this is easy, man. It's easy money. It's beautiful. You see, that's a lake back there, man. That's water, you know. $333,000 they're selling these townhouses for, guys. And I'm just saying, you can get $2,500 out of them easy all day. It's a Saturday morning. Just had breakfast with my wife, walked the beach with my wife, and now we out here driving for dollars. The clean way. You know what I mean? No, we're not doing wholesale deals, but driving for dollars correlates to every service business, any business, anything. It's opportunity, it's money, and it's all about looking for it. It's all about being able to see it. It's all about being able to notice it from a mile away. I noticed these from a mile. I was on the freaking main road, and I passed these multiple times going to get other money. And I purposely came this way today to get this money. Now, am I going to stop here? Of course not. I'm going to keep looking because it don't stop. Let's get it.